Hi, let's do a science experiment. Where's Martin? Oh, hi.
Hi,
Hi. Hey. What's that?
this is Coca-Cola.
And what's that?
This is milk.
Why do you have Coca-Cola and milk?
We're gonna mix them.
Eh? But why?
To see the reaction.
Oh, sounds like fun.
Yeah, let's try. Watch. Pour some milk into the Coca-Cola. See? Look at the milk change the Coca-Cola.
What happens in 24 hours?
Do you know?
No. What happens?
Let's wait and see.
Cool.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you again.
See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And leave a comment below if you liked our video. See you later.
Goodbye.